folks, man, I know y'all tired of this fried turkey. I done had barbecue turkey. I done had smoked turkey. I done had baked turkey. Man, these holidays is putting some weight on. And we still got one more holiday to go. But in between holidays, I'm going to show y'all how to make a real quick snack that's easy. And let's fill in all this ham and all this stuff. So, I'm going to show you how to do some fajita steak fries. Oh, man, you talking about good fajita steak fries? You never had them? Come in and show you what you need. Easy to do. First of all, you're going to need some seasoned fajita meat. Right there. Then you're going to need your can of this diced tomatoes and green chilies. An onion, a bell pepper. And you're going to need some golden steak fries. Then we're going to need some cheese queso. We're going to use queso Fajita cheese. Works pretty good. And then we're also going to need some mild cheddar. Man, now that might put some pounds on you, but this ain't going to be the pounds because I'm a general. And believe me, I can work this stuff off. Wait till the night. We'll laugh. Oh, you still laughing at me? Mm-hmm. Welcome back to the Cooking General, y'all. Let's get this show on the road. All right, I got my French fries already going. Okay, you want to get this pan kind of warm, and you want to go ahead and drop that cheese in there. And this is non-stick, so I'm not even worried about it. It ain't gonna stick. And I got my rotel. I drain the juice out of it, and I'm gonna add my little rotel to that. There we go. And we're gonna get that melted down, get that stirred up. Got the fries going. Then back here, I'm gonna get the bowl. Okay. And got my pan. I just put just a little best ball just to coat it. I'm gonna add my onions, bell pepper, and I'm gonna add my fajita steak off in there. Ooh, man, you talking about good. It's already smelling good. Man. Yeah. And we finna get that going. And now I'm gonna get this cheese melted. These fries are gonna get crisp and brown, and the fajita meat going. And I'm gonna show you how to put it together. Man, you talking about pretty good, and you ain't gonna really gain. You don't gain too much weight from that. You not. You think you gonna gain weight from that? You don't gain too much. You might gain a little bit. You don't gain too much. I ain't gain that much. I mean, I still look good though. Gotta ask somebody. All right, y'all. Welcome back to the Cooking General. Man, it's done. Man, y'all wanna put some pounds? I mean, not no pounds. It's weight loss food. Keep this holidays. You gonna gain. Come on, let me show you what you got. Okay. Now I got my fries, they already fried. Now since we already gonna put some weight on this, gonna put a little sour cream on them anyway. I already know we're gonna put some weight on it, so you might well just go on. If we're gonna do it, let's do it right. Put a little sour cream on like that. We got our cheese and queso already mixed up. Man, look at that. Put your little that on there. Oh man, look at that. Now, oh boy. Now, get some of this here. Oh man, our fajita steaks. That's what you call fajita fries there, man. Look at that. Woo. Oh, man. I got the onions and bell peppers already cooked in there, and they cooked in there good. Then we're going to sprinkle. Ooh. Now I know I'm not cooking healthy. I got other healthy cooking shows you want to eat healthy. You probably got to watch them, but I'm going to cook some healthy food, though, for you, but whoo. I ain't going to even eat that. You know what? Y'all right, I didn't put on 20. It's holidays. Y'all don't need to see them like this. I don't even know why I done this video. I really don't know why I done this video. I'm finna go try to lose some weight right now. Oh, but if y'all stick around to the end of the video, stick around to the end. I want to show y'all my new decoration. I just decorated for the holidays. So y'all check that out. Stay around to the end and check out that demo. I'm finna go jog. I ain't gonna eat this. I'm gonna go jogging. All right, catch y'all in the next video. Cooking General, ask somebody.
We won't go until we get some.